So, I am going to take a break.
So, I use 91% alcohol. I've got to be glued down my edges first. Cut the holes in my cap. I applied the Erica J Hold Me Down. Now, in her video that I'm watching, you have to put the glue on here. And when you order her products, you get the little spatula. So, put the glue.
You want to go in with a shade that's slightly darker than you. Not completely darker than you, but slightly.
My cap already dark.
Just a little bit. Just
and I let a little bit of my edges out. No, I'm just sorry.
Because of course they associate with the deer. And so they're going to breed, right? And then they produce the eggs hatch. The larval.
Alright, with this far in, we've secured it. Now you gotta just fix the little boo-boos and stuff, like in the video. So I did 3 layers of glue and only like this big of an inch. So it was like that big, but it was mostly on the cap.
I'm going to start to take out my baby hair and create my baby hair. I have a fan on, so that's why you see my hair flying in the direction.
It's just got the comb right there.
What I'm doing.
I'm not doing baby hair. I'm gonna rock with baby hair. This side is wet. I don't have a defining brush right now. This might like to comb and this side is dry. The only thing I had wrong with it was this was already glued to my head, so I couldn't really cut it. Other than that, but you can't really tell. This is my skin inside back here. But other than that, it's good. The only thing I have to work on is sideburns. This one's covered, of course, but sideburns. And then this right here. But that is good. It's good. It's good. Alright, it's the next day. I tied it up with my Saun Tresses bonnet. And I just put them in these twists. My Saun Tresses bonnet. Alright. So I took some mousse and I took each section down. I just ran my fingers through it. And I took some hair shine by Carol's Daughter and sprayed it on it. Took a little bit of gel and kind of like combed it back. And then fixed my part again. I'm a really big one concealer. But I guess it makes it look neater. Not really worried about it. Not a hairstylist. I'm still learning. So, yeah. But other than that, this is real cute. Real cute. So, the lace wigs are now available.